To increase operational efficiency throughout your project lifecycle, comprehensive asset management and railway inspection are key. Try the SYSTRA Unmanned Aircraft Systems program. Our turnkey drone solution provides insightful data intelligence for the engineering, construction, and transportation industry. It helps you analyze data to manage the right balance between investment, maintenance, performance, and risk throughout your asset's life cycle. Our solution is based on the collective intelligence of our experts. How does it work? We offer drones data collection services. With our advanced flight software, a drone mission captures location intelligence using various sensors. We process the data into meaningful insights. Drone data is uploaded to our cloud-hosted software to generate maps and models which can be analyzed, annotated, and shared. We analyze the data using advanced computer analytics. We create precise georeferenced information capable of delivering accurate 2D and 3D models for surveying, progress tracking, and artificial intelligence purposes. Your benefits: lower risk, higher accuracy, lower cost, time saving. To stay competitive with limited budgets and tight schedules, to drive any project to a successful execution and completion, SYSTRA has the optimal solution. SYSTRA, the guarantee that your objectives are met.